I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you ever notice something off with your Curve 2026 account, reporting it is crucial. Here is how to do it step by step. Step 1. Open the Curve app. Launch the Curve app on your device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access all features. Step 2. Navigate to Support. Once you are in the app, find the Support section. This is usually located in the Manual Settings area. Step 3. Select Report an Issue. In the Support section, look for the option that says Report an Issue or Report Suspicious Activity. Tap on it to proceed. Step 4. Fill out the form. You will be prompted to fill out a form detailing the suspicious activity. Be as specific as possible, including dates and descriptions. Quick gotcha: if you forget to include a date, the support team may ask for it later, delaying your report. Step 5. Submit your report. After filling out the form, review your information and hit the Submit button. You should receive a confirmation message shortly after. Remember, reporting suspicious activity helps keep your account secure. If you have any more questions, feel free to ask.